Welcome back to your English learning journey. Congratulations, you have successfully completed day 1. This is your second step. By the end of this 6-minute session, you will use what you've learned to complete a back-and-forth English conversation. To reach that goal, you need your notebook, a pen, and a space where you can comfortably speak out loud. The biggest barrier to learning any language is the hesitation to make a mistake. Committing to vocalizing these words, even if they feel clumsy, is how you start moving from a passive listener to an active participant. Let's warm up with the greetings from yesterday. Repeat these after me. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. When you see this indicator appear on screen, it is your turn to speak. Try to finish your sentence before the time runs out. Let's try it. What is your name? Very good. And where are you from? Well done. Completing this simple question and answer loop reactivates what you already know. That builds the baseline you need to add today's new vocabulary. Classroom instructions often involve actions. To remember these, you should physically perform the movement as you say the phrase. Please stand up. Now, please sit down. Let's use your materials. Open your notebook. Close your notebook. We can also use these for focus. Look at the board. Raise your hand. Linking your physical movements to these audio cues creates a multi-sensory connection. This helps your brain recall the vocabulary more effectively when you hear it again. We can identify the objects around you using one question. What is this? Your answer will follow a simple pattern. This is a... Here are 4 common desk items. This is a pen. This is a pencil. This is a book. And this is a notebook. Looking at the wider room, that is a chair. That is a table. That is a door. And that is a window. Finally, look at the technology and the people involved. This is a mobile phone. This is a computer. He is the teacher. She is the student. Now it's your turn. Select any object near you. What is this? This specific question and answer loop allows you to use your immediate physical environment to practice new words every day. If you lose track of a conversation or a word sounds unfamiliar, you need specific phrases to help you stay in the flow. When you don't understand the speaker, ask them to adjust. Please speak slowly, or please say it again. You can also simply say, I don't understand. If you need to clarify a specific word, ask, how do you spell it? Or what does this mean? Native speakers use these exact phrases to manage clarity in their own daily lives. They are standard logistical tools for keeping a conversation moving. We are going to put everything together. I will play the teacher, and you will play the student responding to me. Good morning, everyone. Please sit down. How are you today? Open your book. Can you read this sentence? Very good. Do you understand today's lesson? Excellent. By combining a greeting, an action command, and a confirmation of understanding, you have just completed a functional English dialogue. You have finished the Day 2 curriculum and successfully navigated the simulation. Capture these 10 sentences. These are the core phrases for today's practice. For your homework, stand in front of a mirror and recite these 10 sentences out loud 5 times today. Try to smile as you speak. This mirror routine helps these phrases become a habit. It builds the vocal comfort you will need for the numbers and time telling we are covering in Day 3. See you then.